Here's how you remove a stuck fuel line that's been on there since 1977. Get it up with your heat gun until you smell the rubber. And grab your Harbor Freight hose pliers. Give it a twist. Easy as pie. If you're going to be doing any work on old cars, get yourself a set of these. And one of these.